In today's video, I'm going to teach you Jobber scheduling tutorial. Let's walk through how to create and schedule a one-off job in Jobber from start to finish. Open your browser and head to your Jobber dashboard. Once you're in, look to the sidebar and click the Clients tab. This is where you can search or filter to find the correct customer. Open the client profile you want to work with. If the client has multiple properties, double-check the address so the visit gets scheduled at the right location. On the client page, find the More Actions menu. From there, choose Job to start a new job. You'll land on the job creation screen. At the top, confirm the client and property are correct. If you keep internal notes, this is a good moment to add a short description so your team knows exactly what's expected on site. Next, assign a salesperson. Pick the team member responsible for quoting or managing this job. Assigning the right person now keeps ownership clear and helps with reporting later on. For job type, choose one-off. This is perfect for a single visit or a one-time service. If you ever need recurring work, you'd use a different option. But for today, we're keeping it simple. Now, schedule the visit. Click into the calendar and pick your date. I'll choose the 30th as an example. Set a start time that works for your team and the client. Then set an end time to define the appointment window. A helpful tip is to build in a little buffer for travel or cleanup so the schedule stays realistic. If your team already uses Jobber's schedule, glance at availability to avoid conflicts. Add the product or service next. Click into the service field and select what you're providing. For example, air conditioner installation. If you have standard descriptions or preset pricing, they'll fill in automatically. You can still adjust details to match the scope of work on this job. Enter the total price for the service. Make sure it reflects everything included, such as materials or special charges, so your client sees a clear and accurate amount. When everything looks good, click Save Job. Jobber will create the job, add it to your schedule, and tie it to the client profile you selected. From here, you're set to manage the visit, track progress, and keep your team aligned. That's it, a clean, reliable workflow for scheduling a one-off job in Jobber. If this was helpful, give this video a like, leave a comment with what you want to learn next, and don't forget to subscribe for more.